what a great night's sleep! I dreamt I was Rapunzel and the prince was so handsome! What a great way to start the day! Ugh, what a terrible dream. All that lava and heat. Unfortunately, my hair looks like it came straight out of a fire pit. Gosh, I hope I left my stuff in my locker. Ugh, I forgot my key! Oh, hey, that's lucky. Come on, you dumb backpack! Get off my shoulder! Ow! Get in there and out of my face! Ready to cheer! Ow! Oh my gosh! My locker totally caught my hair! Let me go! Oh, that hurts so bad. Alright, go team go! Show us you can do it! Sorry I'm late. I can't believe you're late again. Hey, hi there. Alright, I'm ready to cheer. Come on, let's practice our new set. Yes! We've totally got this one down. Her hair is so pretty. Alright, let's step it up a notch. A ton of energy. Okay, if you say so. Ow! Her hair hit me in the face! You're whipping your hair right at me! Don't hit me! Don't hit me! Dodge over this way! Ooh, that looked like it was a hard fall. Come on, I've got a plan. Follow me. Ahem. Oh, hey you two! What's up? We're gonna fix this problem once and for all. There. Step 1, done. Now on to step 2. Just need a few more air binders for this next part. Okay, I've got 2 tails. Now it's time to put them together. I'll just split them in half and interweave them like this. Just gotta go back and forth a few times until I reach the end. There. All done. And now your hair is nicely controlled too. And we're back to cheering! Woo! Go team! Alright, class. Today's a big test. I hope you studied. Ooh, I did not study. Not as much as I should have anyway. Ugh. Alright. Desperate times calls for desperate measures. Oh wait. This is the wrong one. I need my other one. I know the answer has to be in here somewhere. Nope. No, that's not it. Okay, it must be on my 3rd cheat sheet. Of course! Come on, why can't I find this answer? Tests are so hard. Hey, what's she doing over there? Ridiculous. Yes! Finally! I found the answer at the very end! What is all that rustling sound? Oh no, she's totally gonna catch me! Quick, I've gotta hide all of this somewhere! No! That won't work! What am I gonna do? Oh, I know! Here you go, Blondie! Huh? What the heck is this? What's going on over there? Where are my glasses? That's better. Now for a better look at the students. Aw, look at them working hard at their tests. So good. What the heck? Where'd you hide it all? It was easy. I just hid it in my hair. Duh. Whoa! No kidding! Might as well put these answers to good use. Definitely gonna get an A. I need more help too. I'll just sneak over here. Wait, what the heck is this? Loser? Me? Ugh, I mean it's my cheat sheet she's using. Enjoy your big fat F. Whatever. Ugh, math is so hard. Alright, I'm going to school now. See ya! Stop. What, Mom? What is it you think you're wearing there? No, that just won't do. Come on, seriously? It's nothing that extreme. It's just normal clothes. Have you seen the forecast for today? Cold and windy! See? You are not dressed appropriately for the weather. This old ratty thing? Seriously? Fine. There, I'm wearing the sweater. You happy? Yes, I am. Have a good day at school, hon. Ugh, the sweater's the worst. It's so hot and scratchy. Ooh, there's that new guy over there. He's so cute. Now's my chance to introduce myself before anyone else swoops in. Hey! Whoa. Wow, that's an interesting look. Aw, thank you. Wanna walk me to school? Yeah, sure. What is it? What's wrong with you? Oh my gosh! It's the sweater static! to hurt. Oh, my hair is bonkers too! This dumb sweater! I'll just be on my way. See? It's all fine, Mom! Yes, you're right. Good job. Enjoy school. I will. Bye! Yes! Whoa! That new kid is still here. Yeesh. I'm sure he's fine. Time to ditch this sweater. I'll just slip it right off. What the heck? I'm stuck! Come on! Get off of me, you stupid sweater! Let me go! I'm stuck! There's gotta be something I can do! Oh no! Ouch! My face. And elbows. Oh my gosh. Ice cream is my favorite! I think so too. It's the best! Oh my gosh! What is it? What are you looking at? Oh. Wow! Look at him. He's walking. Ugh. What the heck? Where's all this wind coming from? Hey there. Ugh. My hair's all in my face now. Huh? Oh, gross! My ice cream has hair all over it now. Ew! And now I have ice cream in my hair, too! Bestie? Yeah? Oh, sorry about that. Your hair! It's all over my ice cream! So gross. Ew, I don't want it back. I think I've lost my appetite for ice cream. Maybe forever. Well, at least that cute boy is still over there. But my hair is totally out of control now. What am I gonna do? Hey, listen, calm down. I can help you out with that. Look. Ta-da! This is just what you need to tame your locks. Oh wow! I didn't know you carry this around. Thanks! Okay, time to use this strip of fabric to save my look. I'll start with it under the back of my hair. And then I'll tie it in a knot and pull it tight. I'll keep pulling it all the way down to the tips of my hair. Once it's right at the bottom, I'll stop and bring it back up and under. And now I can just tie it in a bow on top of my head. I'll need it nice and tight so it stays in place and keeps my hair tamed too. There we go! A perfect little bow! And now my hair won't blow around either. Ooh, here he comes! Oh hey! No way! He's waving at me! Hi! Hey bro, check this out! Shoot. Guess he's a bro sorta dude. Don't worry about it. You still look cute. Just gotta finish taking these notes. Oh, that's the end of class. Just look over here. Cats are so dumb. I love them. He has to notice me now. Huh? What a nerd. A nerd? Well, maybe he likes nerds. Look how smart I am. What's that? She's showing me a book? Yeah, books aren't my thing. They're dumb. Books are dumb? None of this is working. Okay, that's it. I've gotta try something drastic, I think. Simple language. Something he'll understand. There. Oh my gosh! She just walked in! No. I've gotta hide the evidence! I'm not doing anything. Cats. Love him. Whoa! Look who just took a seat next to me. Hey, how you doing? What does she have that I don't have? Why does she get all the attention from boys? Wait a second. Oh, I get it! It's the hair! But I don't have long hair like she has. And I don't have pretty clips. Wait a second. Maybe there is something I can try. Sorry, Ben. I've got to disassemble you for the cause. Okay, I'll put some hot glue on the end of the little spring. And then I'll add the little bobble to it. There we go. It's all glued in place and not going anywhere. Now I can just twist it into my hair like this. I'll add some more in different spots too. They just twist in perfectly. Nice and easy. Yes! It totally worked just like I imagined it would! Okay, excuse me. Hi. Huh? Whoa, you look totally different. I like it. Wow, nice glow up. What the heck? Didn't he see my butterflies? Whatever. I don't even like cats. Have you ever gotten stuck in a sweater? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel's page for more great videos like this one. Ugh. animal? Oh, how disgusting is this? How long is this thing anyway? Whoa! Ugh. I thought I'd never get out of there. See ya! 7 times 81 is… Man, this stuff's hard. Hey! Wanna see my notes? Whoa! I see London, I see France, I see this chick's underpants! Thanks for the laugh! That was so embarrassing! But how can I use a zipper with these things? If I could just get a hold of it. Come on. Oh, it's useless. Come on, get it together. Almost got it! I officially give up. You things are the worst. Ugh. I just need to get in there. Wait! I think I'm doing it! Yes! Just a little bit more! Victory is mine! Oh, I missed the entire test! I just can't win today! Why do I insist on having these? Oh, our big moment is almost here! He's right behind that curtain! Yep. Uh-huh. I mean, oh my god! What's good, ladies? I'm here! He's so beautiful! I think I may faint! For Instagram! Love you! This is gonna go viral! I'm up next! I'm so nervous! I'm your biggest fan! Take our pick! Say rock and roll! Yep, looking good. Is that… armpit hair? Looks good. Yup, keep going. Arms in the air. That's it. Wait. What's with all the hair? I look like a hairy beast. I can't post any of these. You're the worst photographer! No better combo than snacks and tunes, baby! Ooh… Huh? I'm out already? Whoops! Guess I have more after all. My bad. Ugh. That's quite a mess I made. Get to work, Mr. Vacuum! Just gotta get out of here. Oh, worst day of school ever! I can finally just relax. Hey, girl! Oh yeah, tell me everything. Uh-huh. Then what did he say? That's so crazy! Then what did you say? Yeah? Ouch! Somebody help me! Ah! This restaurant is nice. They have the best burgers, too. Well, so I've heard. Ugh. Wait till dessert! Actually, I have an idea! Gotcha! The perfect bite. This date is going pretty great now. It's easier to focus on a full stomach. Ooh. Something's happening. Gotta go to the ladies' room. I'll be right back. Oh boy. Stuff happens. Please let there be a free stall. Come on! Thank goodness. Phew. Sweet relief. That was good. We're in the clear. On second thought, I've still got a major problem. This isn't gonna be pretty. What's she doing in there? So boring. This is ridiculous. Glad that's done. Why can't I press this thing? Ugh. I don't want to break a nail. I almost forgot. I have knuckles. course! Stupid messy patrons! Like I wanna be here all night! Where is everyone? Guess I lost track of time. Again. What happened? Wait. Where am I? Have I been kidnapped? Never fall asleep on the bus! What do I do now? I do have these sharp nails. Looks like they're coming in handy. For once. Yes! I'm so getting out of here! Who's that? They're coming in here! Somebody help me! Help me! Help me! It was just a dream? Thank goodness. Night-night, Nails. I don't feel like studying. What up, bro? We're skating this weekend, right? Enjoy the view, boys. Check it out. They can't keep their eyes off me. What you guys talking about? Ooh! Dude! He's out cold! No! Boys? Where did they go? How could you do such a thing? It was an accident! Promise! I didn't mean to scare you! The day is finally here! The package should be here by now. I have my own places to be! Oh, come on! I can't stand all this waiting. Anybody home? It's here! I can't believe it! Hello. This package is for you. Just need you to do one thing. Sign on the bottom line. Oh, duh. Need a pen? I don't do so well with these. Steady. Just give me a minute here. Time's a-ticking, lady. No! You've gotta be kidding me. Sorry. If I could just hold this stupid thing. Yes! There! Hallelujah! Thank you. I don't get paid enough for this. Is this even a person's name? I can't take this back to the office. I'll be a laughingstock. Ugh. I quit. No. Alright, Nails. You ready for the big moment? Who needs a blade, right? I'm going in! Wow! Isn't she a beauty? Say goodbye, long nails! Do you understand the long hair struggle? Or if those long nail woes spoke to you on a personal level? Share this video with your buddies if they could use a laugh. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out!